निशी बैप्टिस्ट चर्च काउंसिल लेवल रिवाइवल क्रूसेड सफलतापूर्ण संपन्न हुआ। क्रूसेड 28 अक्टूबर 2022 को शुरू हुआ था। दशकों के बाद काउंसिल लेवल रिवाइवल क्रूसेड का आयोजन निशी बैप्टिस्ट चर्च काउंसिल द्वारा किया गया था और इस वर्ष क्रूसेड की मेजबानी यूपिया पास्टरल रेंज, दोईमुख पास्टरल रेंज, नाहरलगुन पास्टरल रेंज, ईटानगर पास्टरल रेंज, चंद्रनगर पास्टरल रेंज और निर्जली पास्टरल रेंज द्वारा की गई थी। क्रूसेड के 3 दिनों में 7 जिलों कुरुमकुमे, करादादी, लोअर सुबानसिरी, पूर्व कामेंग, पाके केसांग, कामले, पापुमपारे जिले अरुणाचल प्रदेश से आए थे, जिनमें अपर सुबानसिरी, नेपाल, भूटान, तवांग और असम शामिल थे। क्रूसेड में कुल 8,000 से उससे अधिक प्रतिनिधियों को पंजीकरण में नामांकित किया गया था। कैपिटल न्यूज़ की टीम के साथ बात करते हुए रेव डॉक्टर हेविकू अचुमी, विशिष्ट पधारी तिलिसु बैप्टिस्ट चर्च ने कहा कि भगवान ने क्रूसेड में आशीर्वाद लेने आए लोगों की 382 विभिन्न बीमारियों को चमत्कारी रूप से ठीक किया है। इस बीच रेव तागंगेलो एनबीसीसी के महासचिव समग्र प्रभारी ने भी अपने विचार साझा किए हैं। आइए सुनते हैं उनका क्या कहना है।
Golden Jubilee nga munyi di pako hoga ngulen di singe si sitel charko oga si hold the mode dota tado mulge oga be mule diamond jubilee ngam okay centenary ngam e okay mule focus madbe mule solo we ekge hurab dubjido hela mule si council level revival crusade am jiv dod nala organizing also the secretary Reverend Dr. Jaha Tipo Noka Miteso Dali Hito Okay so logo mule team isabo mule nam Dipongai mula kuma ko jakam mule councilor director Reverend Mika Tax lekam committee chat volunteer captain Mr. Tamsi Kerlom Nolo Loren Chato Mitego Lokare Okay मैं हाजिर दोस्तों हो लोगों वो Kini wayo mululu luram kapata kere tak muso hanima, omui mo hanima, oga luram mo mulirang. Yesus Kristo emino. Oglo nyoko ga, oglo isyo ga, oglo napumo ga nule. Ana be ebi bore, burum bore, ye ane mui mate, kei kate. Ekane aji no me Kristen kin boniga minokam. Mul Kristen ni boniga mulinga ajine nul mulinga mokeni ko yo morulam keri ma pu yo keri nama o keri nama ko ga nul mulinga ngumak ko ne kei then to nulik maya pameg hemose so ge me kor japana nyega to nga aja maya yamasu nula aja maya yadna. I want to thank God for all the blessings we received during this weekend. Ango pun mo ga payani chopat na so crusit mo so pun mo ga mulpen ko so le china ma. And I want to thank God for bringing us here to worship with you together. Okay mo pun mo ga payani chomat na nulpen ko so ngam once again, I bring greetings on behalf of my team and myself from your Christian brothers and sisters in Nagaland. Okay, Jesus Christian Mujibo Argento Nagaland Loka, so the person of the Salam al Bentna. They are praying for us. And I bring special greetings from my local church, Tinecho Village Baptist Church. Oh, Penko Kanage,
Okay, local church okay, ngonun meleng am salamam ekcha pene dene.
Sir, as the speaker of 3 days crusade, what miracle did happen here that people can reach out to it?
Okay, I want to thank God for the privilege that I could come here and share the good news of God and bless many people. And I've seen till last night 382 people were healed. Some of them are very serious sicknesses. The Lord touched them and healed them. So I thank God for this, and I pray that they will continue with good health. And Nishi tribe, I've been associated with them since 1980, and I'm very happy that they are growing more and more. So my prayer is that the Lord will continue bless them and keep them and use them to bless many people around them.
Sir, after a decade, this program has been organized by Missouri Baptist Church Council. So, what you can say about if this kind of crusade can be organized yearly?
Yes. This kind of crusade is very effective because it brings many people together. This time we had around 8,000, right? 8,000 people together worship God, and many people receive blessings. In small gatherings, even though they want to receive blessing, they don't hear this kind of message or fellowship. But big gathering here is a wonderful thing that people could come together, share the things together, and pray for one another so that they are blessed. So I think in future also, if NBCC continue this kind of crusade, it will help people and even the spread the good things to the people around them.
Crusade आज खत्म किस तरह से
First of all, I give thanks to God Almighty and also media friends. It's a joy to share the things that happened this year. We have Nissi Baptist Church Council have conducted council level revival crusade 28 to 30th October 2022 here in North Baptist Church, and around 8,000 believers gathered. So as we have just concluded, I really give thanks to God that we were worrying that there would be not good weather, but because of God's grace and through our prayer, God has blessed the good weather, and also lots of miracles, signs and wonders has happened through this council level revival crusade. So I, on behalf of NBC, would like to thank all the participants and our speaker team, counselor team, singing team, volunteer teams, and all the committees here through which we could conduct the council level revival crusade successfully. Thank you.
Hello,